What's up, guys? So today nothing crazy. I just find interesting. I'm going to film because right now I'm going to Tenerife from Fuerteventura. Currently I'm in Morro in the south of the island, and there is my Fred Olsen waiting just in front of me. So I'm going to do Fuerteventura, Gran Canaria. From Gran Canaria I need to go across Gran Canaria to the next port, harbor, and from the next harbor I'm going for Gran Canaria to Tenerife. It's like two travel in one, because there is not direct Tenerife, Fuerteventura, Tenerife. You have to stop in Gran Canaria. I'm going to the east coast of Gran Canaria, and I need to leave from the west coast of Gran Canaria. So I'm going to drive east to west with my car. So let's show you. As you can see, here is the Fred Olsen. You have to park like that on the line, and the guy just asked me only for my passport. That's really strange. He didn't ask me for my ticket. He just asked me, passport please, and I was like, okay. And my ticket, it was no, bro, super strange. Okay. Do you know, if you need to travel from one island to another, you need your passport? And he didn't even ask me for my residency card. That's crazy. That's amazing. And if you are wondering why I'm going to Tenerife, it's because there is the Carnival right now, and I'm going for a 3-day, 4-day Carnival. Right now it's 6:30 in the morning. The Fred Olsen departure is about 7:30. But when you have a car, they ask you to come something like 40 minutes earlier. So I'm 1 hour earlier almost, but that will be fine. That will be fine. Also, from Fuerteventura, Morro to Gran Canaria, the city of La Palma de Gran Canaria, it's about 2-hour boats. And the next boat on the other side of Gran Canaria, the name of the city is Aiguete. So I need to drive from Las Palmas de Gran Canaria to the other side, Aiguete, and I arrived in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria about 9:30, and the next boat is at 12 noon, exactly noon. So it will give me something like 2 hours and a half on the island of Gran Canaria, and it's way more than enough to travel across. So right now I'm driving inside the boat, and we are going to park like this, up. And I think I'm good. Just so you know, you can stay inside the car. You have to go inside the boat. And we still have to wear the mask at the date of this video, like in June 2022. But in fact, it's super easy to travel here. It's not so fast, but it's like super easy. It's really pretty. I like it. I really like it. And of course inside there is a shop where you can have a breakfast if you want some sandwich. Look, there is also space for the children, for the kids. Pretty useful, I think. Yes, we are getting out of the boat and I'm officially right now in Las Palmas de Gran Canarias. So, I'm in Gran Canaria. I just found a little parking spot. And I don't have so much time because, as I told you, I need to be at the next harbor at 12 noon exactly. And I need to be there 1 hour in advance because for the car. But during my stop I found some little natural pools. Have a look. Like I'm 20 minutes in Gran Canaria and I already found some natural pools here. Pretty amazing, really amazing. Fun fact, Gran Canaria is not that grand. For example, Fuerteventura is bigger than Gran Canaria. So, yeah. So, I made it. I'm in Agaete. I'm in on the other side of the island. Oh, look, my boat is coming. Let me zoom in. Here, this is my boat, the Fred Olsen Express. And it's really beautiful. Look at the view here. This mountain and the little village of Puerto Nieves and Agaete. I think the two villages are really close to each other. So when you look at the map or when you look at the booking reservation, they told you it's Agaete, but in fact I see the sign and we are exactly in Puerto Nieves. My car is this one. The boat is arriving, so I'm going back into my car to get ready to go on board. And that's it. It's faster to go to Santa Cruz de Tenerife. It will be only 80 minutes, not 2 hours like the one from Fuerteventura to Gran Canaria. So it will be pretty fast and good, oh good. The travel is pretty chill, no problem, really easy. So I've done Fuerteventura, Gran Canaria. Now I'm going from Gran Canaria to Tenerife and no one controlled my ticket. So of course I paid for me, I paid for the car, but there is zero control. They just ask 2 times for my passport, but on my passport you can't see what I'm paying for, you know? So I don't know. And maybe I was thinking it's from my residential number, but if they are only checking my residential number, this one is not on my passport anymore. At all. It's not on my passport. So I don't know how they can know what I'm paying for and what I get. I don't know. Look at the view. Man, that's beautiful. This is beautiful. Tenerife.
It's official. I'm in Tenerife and I'm going to see my friends right now, and then the carnival will start.